One, two, three, four, five. How many fingers we have?
22.
Ma'am, how many fingers we have?
How many fingers? 10 fingers. And then what do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. Oh.
We see with our eyes.
Special. I
am special. Look
at me. Look at special.
that is me. Yes. क्या बोले? Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day.
उसको बोलो Happy Teachers Day की भाई thank you.
समर Good morning to everyone and a warm welcome to all of our teachers on this special occasion of Teachers' Day. Today we gather to honor and acknowledge our teachers' hard work and dedication who have played a vital role in shaping our minds and futures. As students, we understand that being a teacher is not an easy task and we appreciate all the hard work and effort you put into ensure we have the best education possible. From the early morning preparations to the late night grading of papers, you have always gone above and beyond to ensure that we have the best learning experience. It is with deep gratitude that I extend my sincere gratitude to all of our teachers who have not only taught us subjects but also imparted valuable life lessons. Your guidance, encouragement and support have helped us become better individuals and we are forever grateful. You have taught us not only the importance of education but also the importance of hard work, perseverance and determination. We have honored to such dedicated, passionate and knowledgeable teachers in our school and we are proud to call you our mentors. Your unwavering support and belief in us have helped us to overcome challenges and achieve our goals. We are truly grateful for all of your support, years and advice you have given us over the years for which we are eternally grateful. On this Teachers' Day, I have this opportunity to express our profound gratitude for all that you have done for us. Your selfless dedication and commitment to our education have not gone unnoticed and we are eternally grateful for all of the time and effort that you have invested in us. Today we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a respected philosopher and teacher who served as the President of India from 1962 to 1967. His contributions to the field of education and his belief.
Yes, children, can we have silence?
Today we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a respected philosopher and teacher who served as the President of India from 1962 to 1967. His contributions to the field of education and his belief in the power of education to change lives have inspired us all. We celebrate this day in honor of such as esteemed individuals and we are grateful for the opportunity to pay tribute to him and all of our teachers. We look forward to your continued guidance and support in the future and we hope you will continue to inspire and motivate us to reach our full potential. It is because of your unwavering dedication and commitment to your education that all of us have been inspired. And we hope that we will be able to carry that commitment forward throughout the remainder of our lives. I would like to end my speech with sincerest thanks and appreciation to all of our teachers for everything you do. Your hard work, dedication and commitment have not gone unnoticed and we were grateful for the positive impact that you have had on our lives. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you and here's to many more years of hard work and dedication. Thank you.
And director sir on stage to enlight the diya and pay homage to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and deliver some igniting words. Please join us on the stage for raise this occasion with your word of wisdom.
Good morning everybody. Thank you all the children and happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers present. For the first time I brought my speech written on a piece of paper because I wanted to say so many things the speech became too long, so I had to cut short. Still it is long, but really I want to convey my words to you all. So, okay, so let's start. As Muskan said, today is the day for the teachers and celebrated because education is the empowering force which can take us ahead, which can propel us for the bright future. Right? And we celebrated on the occasion of birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was not only a good teacher but also our second president of India. So, such personality who did not want to celebrate his birthday,
It's
but rather he
11:19
wanted to
AM.
dedicate this to the teachers has. So teaching is not a profession, it is a passion, right? I think all of you are present here will agree to me with this, on this thought, that it is not a profession. This will be wrong if we just consider this as a profession like any other profession. This is a passion. If we do not have this passion, we will not be able to survive here. Because what is the motivating force behind any profession? Obviously, monetary, isn't it? Any motivating force behind majority of the profession in the world is monetary. But this is the only profession where the motivating force is not monetary, and we all agree to this, right? So, I want to speak from my heart today. So I took really some time to write down my speech for this occasion. Teaching is more than profession, as I said. So it is the responsibility which we are carrying. It is the responsibility of carrying the future. Our shoulders are burdened with that. Right? So, with this burden, we are moving ahead every day. We have the responsibility to shape up the future, and right now in the hall also, like before the program began, the teacher, Momam, had to stand up and still she had to scold the students. So sometimes it may become overwhelming, the problems which we are facing, right? So the problems become so overwhelming that we feel like giving up. Because we are also humans after all. At the end of the day, we are also humans. But being a teacher is about being a human, right? That is helping us to continue. Because another day, one day, we are feeling overwhelmed. We feel, oh, we shall leave this. It is not giving. Our dedication, our hard work is going unnoticed. Nobody is noticing. We are getting scolding from the management. We are getting scolding from the parents. Kids are not learning. They are not disciplined. But next day, again, when we get up with the same motivation, we enter the school premises with the same motto that we have a responsibility to deal with these kids. See how they are moving without discipline. Still keeping on talking, they are going on. They are not even understanding what is ma'am saying here. So we have to struggle every day. We have to enter the school premises again with that motivation. So right? So it is crucial. This approach is crucial. With that, we come here with commitment, with this motto in our mind that we are here to shape. I was reading a statistics that was saying that on an average, a teacher in her life teaches around 3,000 students. So 3,000 students, that means 3,000 future we are creating. These are the future of the world, not only our country. We never know where will these kids stand. And we do not know that whether they will remember us or not. Whether there will be anybody who will be counting our contribution. No, we are not sure about that. Maybe it won't be counted, but still we are doing it with our hard work, isn't it? So every student, what is the motivating force? The student who is walking into the classroom is looking up to us, right? So not only for knowledge, for also guidance, inspiration and support. And we all know 90% of the learning comes even after the age 6. It comes from observation. It comes from listening. So we have to set examples, right? So when we become overwhelmed, what do? We tend to commit mistakes, right? So but we have to be careful regarding that, because we cannot commit mistakes. We are the teachers. If you are using a mobile phone in the classroom, for instance, and if you say, I just picked up the phone, not right, but because your student is looking at you, isn't it? You have the responsibility on your shoulder, and no rule book. No rule book in the world will be enough to write down the rule which we have to follow. If we keep on writing the rules, once I thought, let's make a rule book for the teachers. But then on the other second only on realize, if I keep on writing the rules, these will be endless. Because a teacher has to every day follow a new rule. So teachers themselves have to be very, very careful. They will have to decide on the rule. There cannot be anybody who will run after them. Because you are not here working only for the management, only for the school. Are you? If you are working, then you are into the wrong profession. Isn't it? Do you all agree with me? So I know this job is not easy and it is also tiring. Isn't it? Very tiring. And then people say, what do? Nothing. Your job gets over at 2:30. You are free after that. But are we? Do you have that passion within you? Yes? So we'll have to ignite that passion to deal with these kids who are looking at our faces. Right? So we have to ignite this passion to deal with the challenges that seems never ending. I'm not reading completely from my paper, although I wanted to read out, but no. There's so much to say, my paper is not enough to convey. And if I continue, I think the whole program will get over in that only. So I don't want to continue further. I think looking at your faces, I think I have conveyed my message to you all, and you all have started feeling, isn't it? So my motto on this day, what I wanted to convey to you all, let's reignite the passion which we may have forgotten because of the struggle, the challenges, maybe sometimes because of some other teacher. So yes, students, we are ready for that challenge, but all the students will have to cooperate with the teachers. We are very happy. From the morning, I was looking at the enthusiasm and the zeal which the students were entering in the classroom, and they were waiting for their class teacher, their favorite teacher. Their status are overloaded with the pictures of the teachers, messages for the teachers, the cards which they have made for us, that shows their hard work. It's not a day's work. They have looked for the code, they have copied, they might spelling error, but still, I appreciate that effort. So, but students, excitement without discipline is nothing. Your excitement should always be included with discipline. Okay? So next time we'll have to take care of this thing. Your teacher will be happy if you grow up to be a good human being. If you learn discipline, instead of showing that hooliganism which you were showing in the classroom, what was that? Spraying those sprays on the teachers, dirtying the floor. And look at your faces, sweating. Shirts are all wet with sweat. Now these kids are going to present a drama in front of us with these dirty shirts. What are you going to present? That our teachers are torturing us, so we have to wear these dirty shirts after a whole day's work cleaning the classroom. So next time, take care of this. That discipline is more important than anything else. Academics also comes secondary. Without discipline, you will never be able to succeed in any field in the world. Do you understand this? And teachers will not be there after you every time. You should do this, you should not do this. You are supposed to follow the regular curriculum. You are a school student. Is that clear? we had to send back with heavy heart few of the students back home. We did not want to. We wanted them also to enjoy the program, but with heavy heart we had to send. Why? Because of the indiscipline. Nobody would have been able to enjoy the program. So next time, seniors, please take care of your juniors, and juniors, please listen to your seniors, and juniors also take care of the discipline. Okay, we are very happy for all the efforts which you have made. Thank you so much. Okay, on that note, I will end my speech. I will not take more of your time. Thank you, and again wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
This day is all about you, and we hope you enjoy the surprise we have planned for you. Ado, let's start our program. So firstly, there will be a dance performance performed by Isika and Rosni on the song Tujo Mila.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसान हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
Now there will be a speech given by Priyanshu Pole from class 10.
Season with open on our spicy discipline. I'm Priyanshu from class 10A, and on today, we gather to celebrate those brave souls who have taken up the noble pursuit of trying to educate us students. Well, I might have to agree that we might be a bit handful. We have the attention spans of goldfishes and the IQ level of is equivalent to a senile earth form. First of all, let's take a moment to appreciate the patience that our teachers have. They deal with our endless queries and what not with our endless queries, weird and creative fancy interpretations of deadlines so that we might get extensions. And how do I forget our random questions that we ask which are out of the topic. I'm like, seriously, how do teachers deal with us, of all people? Like, I'm quite certain that teachers have some extra hidden stash of the patience that, yeah. Teachers must have some secret stash of hidden patience, probably somewhere hidden between those endless unchecked copies towering over them. And let's not forget about their remarkable multitasking skills. Name me one person who isn't a teacher who can teach you complex topics while also maintaining a class full of troublemakers. And let's not forget, they do their job quite well. If that isn't a superpower, I don't know what is. But in all seriousness though, teachers are more than our educators. They are our mentors, our guides, and our unofficial therapists. As students think that they harass us throughout the year with countless amounts of homeworks, projects, assignments and whatnot. And they're obviously the creative ways of disciplining us with punishments. But most of our students fail to recognize the caring side and how they care for our future the most. So here's to all the teachers who work tirelessly to shape our futures. I want to convey one message on behalf of every student of this school. We appreciate it. Definitely more than our groggy faces during morning assemblies might suggest. I would like to thank every teacher present here for their commitment, their determination, their hard work, the wisdom they impart us, and for not giving up on us even when we pinched their last nerve. With that note, I would like to apologize for any mistakes or blunders that I may have committed to during my presentation. And with that, I would like to wish everyone a happy Teachers' Day.
Wonderful speech. Your speech not only entertained us but also touched our heart in a very meaningful way. Now, our cute juniors will perform a drama and dance for the teachers. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चों. Sit down.
Ma'am, please monitor बना दीजिए.
No.
Ma'am, please.
I said no. Get out from my class.
Sorry.
Get out from my class.
Sorry, ma'am.
Where is your tie and where is your high card?
Sorry, ma'am.
Get out. No. Get out from my class. Buddy, where is your tie?
मैम वो घर पर जब लेके आए.
नहीं, बैठ जाओ. श्रीजी, where is your high card?
मैम स्कूल के पीछे वाला नाले में गिर गया, लेके आए.
No, I said sit down.
ओके.
आज इंग्लिश का टेस्ट है. सब कॉपी निकालो.
जब हुआ तब हुआ ओ छोड़ो ये मत सोचो
मैं सकता हूँ. मैडम कोई गोचू अपने मैथ का कॉपी दो. सॉरी मैम. मेरा मैथ का कॉपी दो.
सन तेरा तौबा 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 सन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
चलो बेल बज गया. अब तुम लोग टिफिन कर सकते हो.
भूख लगी सोनों की भूख लगी. मरने की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी. चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा. स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा. चाहिए नान या रोटी, चाहिए रान या बोटी, मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए. थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी, थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी, ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए. एक जन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ वही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ To our talented junior, you truly make this moment very special. So now a beautiful guitar played by Argo Das from class 6A. performance performed by Kinjal and Mamta on Life Thoda Hard Hai and Cham Cham. So sit back, relax and let the magic of dance take again you on a journey. मैं तो अपना सुर पाऊंगी है जो क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे जन्म के मैं बोल आऊंगी हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नई मैं अपनी दुनिया बनाऊंगी कि जिंदगी मर्जी से अपनी उसे ही जाऊं खुद की करूं मैं क्या तारीफ रात में चुरा मेरा काजल मुझसे नैना मिलाओगे मौसम होने लगे पागल सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 छम
हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑटो को करके गोल ऑटो को करके गोल सीटे बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑटो को करके गोल ऑटो को करके गोल सीटे बजा के बोल मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज अरे भैया ऑरेंज
No need to stand, sit. Why are you all shouting? Whose period you have? She is coming, take out your books.
बोलना मत क्या चुम्बक
Ma'am, you have given the homework. Ma'am, I have done.
ओके बस 3 कॉपी
मैम होमवर्क करना भूल गया, मैम कल ले लीजिए आप।
मैम याद ही
Don't give excuses. You have to submit it before break. Now let's stay back করে করবে আমার কোনো প্রবলেম নেই. All of you take out your books. Don't give excuses. Take out your books. Give me one book. Do you have any doubt?
यस मैम, आई हैव अ डाउट।
What?
अगर बंदर और इंसान अलग अलग होते हैं, साहिब को सब कोई बंदर क्यों बोलता है?
ওর বুদ্ধি খুব বেশি তাই জন্য
ओ चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। सुनिए गाना काम आएगा, बस खाने पीले पीले क्योंकि जिंदगी है शान। हाय रे बदल बिखर ना, हाय रे बदल बिखर ना, हाय रे बदल बिखर ना, हाय रे बदल बिखर ना।
Good morning, everyone. Sit down. Others, come on the first bench.
Why sir?
चुप करे चले यार. अबे क्लास থেকে বেরো. বেরো বলছি.
क्यों सर? ओ सर पेन तो मांग रहे थे।
কেন তুই পেন কেন আনিস নি?
सर भूल गए।
জামা কাপড় পরতে তো বলিস নি?
सर कपड़ा पहनते तो कपड़ा पहनना पड़ेगा ना सर।
তাই তোর বই কোথায়? আনিনি কেন?
भूले गए सर।
বেরো বেরো বলছি 1 2 3 হারালাম খাতা দেখা আরে কোটা ভুল আছে ভালো কর খাতাটা দেখি হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে Resum will your homework, okay?
Good morning, sit down. What is the condition of the class? Clean it. Yes, I remember. है तुम चैप्टर 5 ही दिए दो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 6 से दिए देবে
I have done both the chapter, please take up both chapter test.
ওকে তাহলে দুটো দিয়ে দাও ওকে ক্লাস আই এম লিভিং দ্য কোশ্চেন আবে নিজের খাতায় দেখো আদার্স দরজা খোলা আছে ক্লাস থেকে বেরিয়ে যাও জাহিদ কিছু পড়ে আসোনি
ये साहित्य किया है।
Try clean it. Clean it fast and don't shout. Take out your books, sir is coming.
Okay, sit down. All of you done your homework? Show me. Okay, you show. You all busy in talking? I will not take this class. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay, I am coming. Hello. Hello. Oi, invertebrate. Sit properly. What, bhai? Oi, both of you. What are you doing? Chup, Hindi medium. Every time speaking in Hindi. Speak English. Monitor, give me the record book. Okay.
Good morning, sit down. Sneha, which class we have today? Okay, take out your books. And I have given homework. How many of you completed your homework? Submit it. कब आता है तुम्हारा कल? Submit. You can't do a homework. Ma'am, my copy is with you. Okay, I'm bringing.
तगड़ी तड़क भड़क में बोलेगी आया
Abhay, there is a tie. Wear it. You don't know how to wear a tie. Sit. Your copy. Give me one book. Abhay, start reading. You are student of class 9. You can't read a simple line. Keep standing. Ask her to try to explain it. Thank God Shakespeare is not alive. Otherwise, after hearing your this explanation, he would commit suicide. Abhay, what are you doing? Give it to me. I should have class. Give. So class is over and rest extracts to your homework.
बन गया है ना?
ओ हमड़ कुछ बस होगा जिंदगी सुनसान लाती अब ऐसी बात रख दिल पे हाथ हम साथ साथ बोल क्या करेंगे
सर ये तो गौतम सर का पीरियड आप लेंगे।
सर आपका क्लास है?
मैथ बुक निकालो।
सर मैथ बुक नहीं लाया।
तो साहित्य लेके करो।
साहित्य भी नहीं लाया।
यू आर एक्टिंग ओवर स्मार्ट फ्रंट ऑफ मी।
सर बुक नहीं लाया।
सब कोई कॉपी निकालो आंसर प्राइस का।
Need to stand, sit, or All of you submit your history copy. I will check. If anybody's copy is incomplete, you have to stay back.
मैम दिस इज नॉट गुड मैम, आप कभी भी कोई सा भी कॉपी लेके चले जाती हैं।
आज हिस्ट्री कॉपी लेंगे, हिस्ट्री कॉपी सबमिट करो।
हम कंप्लीट नहीं है।
आज ही लेंगे हिस्ट्री कॉपी। नहीं, हिस्ट्री कॉपी देना पड़ेगा। नहीं, हिस्ट्री कॉपी दे दो। We have imitated you all. We hope you have enjoyed. If we have done something wrong, please forgive us. Happy Teachers' Day.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया, आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
If you be quiet, okay? So I liked your performance. So one thing made me disappointed. That was you did not imitate me. I was waiting for my turn. When will I come in your state? But I was missing. So that was disappointing. Another thing I found out that all of you are very smart, very intelligent, and good grasper. You grasp things. I can see the dressing style you have copied. Lipika ma'am, actually I was wondering from morning why Shruti is dressed up like this. Why is she wearing this kurti like teachers? So now I understood that she is imitating Lipika ma'am. Isn't she looking like Lipika ma'am? And our Bharti ma'am also, she's looking exactly like Bharti ma'am. And another more ma'am we have in front of us. So that proves that you all are very intelligent, good grasper, and whatever. And Malik sir, the sign, I really like. Even maybe I have not noticed that, but all of you have noticed how sir is walking, how he is always struggling with his trouser. So I understood. So that proves that whatever trouble you are giving to teacher is that is purposeful. That you are doing it purposefully. There is no problem in understanding, no purpose in explanation. So whatever. Oh, Prem sir was also wonderful. It was complete replica. Isn't it, Prem sir? Do you agree? Was it right? Huh? Yes. Yeah. And Dalia ma'am. Yes. See, Dalia ma'am is so happy to be with her replica. See, the dressing style, hair, everything matches. So that proves that whatever trouble you are giving to the teacher, that is purposefully you are doing, isn't it? So from now onwards, we'll have to be more strict. I had this doubt that maybe the kids are having some problem in understanding, but now those doubts are cleared. So now I understood that there's no doubt in the a problem in understanding. You're doing it purposefully. Abhay and Shahid, the most naughtiest boys of the class, and even girls who are maintaining innocence on their face, but inside their heart, what is going on? I know, I have understood. So it was purpose. And now for teachers, this is a lesson. See how minutely they are observing your walking style, your dressing style, your dialogues, everything. These kids are As I told you in the beginning, they learn from observation. So it becomes even more difficult for us. We'll have to walk properly. We'll have to talk. Change on your dialogues. Do not repeat the same dialogue in every class. Otherwise, next year again, will be repeating that. So change your dialogues. Every time Gadha is not going to work. Right? Huh? What? Kochu. Kochu is not going to work from next time. So change your dialogue. Change adjectives for them. And kids, if you are so good in observing things, so please observe the good qualities also. Yes? Yes? So we want Teachers' Day gift. Do you all want a Teachers' Day gift from them? And what is that gift? A promise that Masti is, I agree, part of your school life. But along with that, there should be improvement overall. Academic, your discipline, your holistic development. That will be the biggest gift to all of us, isn't it? Yes. Yes? So do you all promise? Do you all give us that gift? Yes? And next time please imitate me also. I was very disappointed.
You must have to cross like that of rose. When you will flourish, then you will get the smooth spikes and maybe flourish. But from where you will get the energy? By nature, by the leaf. The plant is collecting the energy from the nature. So you have to collect the energy from the nature. I hope you will flourish in your life. Whatsoever, it is my advice today. And it is my blessing and pray to God. You all be flourished in your life. Thank you.
आप शॉपिंग पे क्यों जा रहे थे?
चोट लगने से कोई शॉपिंग नहीं जाते, हम नहीं जाते।
दिल बड़ा बेईमान होता नहीं आसान इसे समझाना मेरी ना कितना
ये दोनों आ जाइए, आइए बीच में ऑन द दोनों।
अभी इनसे बहुत जबरदस्त वाला डांस कराना है ना?
ये इश्क का जो फितूर है, मुझे तेरे चुने